In Assemble we can create our own views to look exactly how we want them to. First of all, I'm going to open up the model tree and choose mechanical and plumbing to be the only thing that we want visible. But then we're going to filter this down in visibility settings to only view pipes and ducts and the fittings. Next thing we need to do is group these how we want them grouped. So we're going to create a new grouping. In this case we're going to choose classification, category name, and family name, and finally type name. And this will group these in this order. So now we can see the classification names. And finally what we'll do in this view, we're going to actually colour the information by system classification. We can change the colours if needed, but it automatically gives us these colours. And finally we're going to save this view so we can get back to it at a later date. Now you can see there are a number of views saved. In this case we've got the walls, and they're coloured by function but grouped by function and level. This structural view, we're only looking at steel, and it's grouped again by the actual steel name. And finally our view that we created a second ago.